workforce called a bargaining unit. The union becomes the exclusive bargaining representative for all of the employees in that bargaining unit. Thus, the union is charged with a legal duty to represent all of the employees, not just the employees who choose to join the union. This poses what economists call a collective action problem. It is a perfectly rational decision for an employee in that bargaining unit to decide not to join the union, because that employee's dues standing alone is not likely to have an impact on the quality of the representation that that employee receives. But the collective action problem arises when large numbers of those employees make those individually rational decisions, and as a result, the union does not have the financial resources it needs to effectively represent the employees. Enter Harris versus Quinn. In Harris versus Quinn, it deals with individuals who provide in-home health care assistance to people with disabilities. Those individuals are hired by the disabled person, or in the case of a disabled minor, that person's parent or guardian. They are paid by the state, in this case the state of Illinois, with Medicaid funds. The state also sets a number of other conditions that govern their relationship with the disabled person or the parent or guardian of the disabled child. The state of Illinois declared, as a matter of state law, that the state would be considered the employer of record for these home health care aides for purposes of collective bargaining. There were two different bargaining units of home health care aides. The Service Employees International Union successfully organized one of those two bargaining units. It was selected by a majority of those home health care aides to be their representative for bargaining with the state, and was certified as the exclusive bargaining representative for all of those home health care aides. In its collective bargaining agreement with the state of Illinois, the parties agreed that those aides who chose not to become members of SEIU would pay an agency fee to SEIU. Some of those non-members, represented by the National Right to Work Committee, filed a lawsuit claiming this violated their First Amendment rights. The Supreme Court, after having the petition for certiorari for 23 months, an extraordinarily long time, decided to review the case. What might the consequences of the court's decision here be? Well, the most immediate consequence will be for labor law. That is, the court's decision, if it chooses to overrule Abood, would turn the entire public sector into an open shop. I think we would very quickly see individuals not renew their union membership, because now they would have a right to get for free what before they could be compelled to pay for. But it will also have a profound effect on the law generally under the First Amendment, because there are many other situations that are comparable to these agency shop agreements